when we hail our pumpkin overlords. No pumpkin left behind. Get that last drop. Yeah, I know. Just Nick just took a couple steps back and like put his hand up like that.
It was aimed right at my face.
Okay, there we go. I feel like this should be inside before we. Oh gosh! Whoa! Naked coconut whipped cream!
Happy Thanksgiving.
Stand behind me and put your arms underneath my arms. No, like that movie, you dork!
Like Ghost? Yeah.
Yes! Okay, now put your hands on my hands. Clap! It's a masterpiece!
Yeah.
Can't even see me! It's my beautiful Frankenstein parfait. You try first.
Huh?
You try first.
Yeah, sure, I know. It's not even bad.
Oh, okay.
You gotta play the ratio though. Like I'm getting really strong pumpkin, a little bit of the crummy leaf.
Okay, I like this though. I like this a lot.
I'm getting very strong pumpkin. Some of the cookies, but it would definitely, I'd put in more of the cream.
So, the pumpkin kind of has a thick, mushy flavor, would you say?
It's a little
The
mushy.
texture,
Yeah,
a little mushy,
texture's a little mushy.
but it's like appropriately mushy.
Get the ratio to your taste.
Yeah, I definitely think if you layer it better, maybe kind of do like thin or medium, not just like globs. This makes it fun. It makes it feel like a child does it. And if people think a child assembled this, they're gonna be very forgiving versus if they knew I did it. And then to kind of change it up a little bit, I really like it with the crumbs, and I find the cookie to be very soft, easy to crumble, still a little firm, but it's soft. And I think it provides a nice textural difference.
As you can see, she's just wrecking it. Just destroyed that deliciousness.
But I'm glad we got this made. I'm gonna bring it to my non-vegan family and spread my agenda! Thank you so much, friends, for sticking with me during this Thanksgiving Friendsgiving series. It was super fun to learn all these new recipes and to make it. I hope you had a lot of fun watching it, and I hope you make a few of the recipes. And if you do, comment below. Ooh, stay tuned. In December, I'm going to endeavor to do a very similar thing, but we are going to do sweets! Sweets and entrees! That's what I'm choosing to focus on in December. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you're subscribed, and if you want to see these recipes, click on that little notification bell, that way you never miss a video. So my friends, have a wonderful rest of your holiday week. I hope you're having an even better December, and until next time, stay flawed.